Lesson 4.10, think about it. There's a lot of writing, so we just have to go through it carefully. So these word problems. The tortoise and the hare are running a different kind of race today. They're starting 600 meters apart and running toward each other. So if I just visualize that, I have the tortoise on one side and the hare on the other, and they are going towards each other. And they are 600 meters apart. So at the time they meet, they determine who won the race by how far they are from their starting point. So wherever they meet here, you have to figure out what this distance is, what this distance is. Whoever went the farthest wins. The tortoise and the hare begin their race, and they meet after 1 minute and 40 seconds. So the time is 1 minute and 40 seconds. I know that 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 60 seconds plus 40, so this is going to be 100 seconds. When I'm doing math, I don't want to try to figure it out using different units, like 1 minute and 40 seconds. I want to keep it all into seconds or minutes. So 100 seconds. So if the hare was running at a pace of 2.25 meters per second, so we have the hare. His speed is 2.25 meters per second. How far did he run? Well, at 2.25 meters per second, we know that he ran for 100 seconds. So the seconds are going to cross off, and it's going to get me the distance in meters. So 2.25 times 100, the hare ran 225 meters. Next, step B, how far did the tortoise run? Well, if the hare went 225 meters, then the tortoise went the rest of the way. It's going to be tortoise ran 600 meters is the total. Subtract 225 meters that the hare went. So if I subtract these, 10 subtract 5 is 5, 9 subtract 2 is 7, 5 subtract 2 is 3. So the tortoise ran 375 meters. So who won? The tortoise was further from his starting point. It said, how far did the tortoise run? 375. But what was the tortoise's pace? Now, if he ran 375 meters and he ran for 100 seconds, then I'm going to get meters per second. So 375 divided by 100. If I go 375 divided by 100, it goes in 3 times. And then it's going to be 0.7 times 0.5. So 3.75 meters per second. So I have all the answers here, but now I need to make clear what the answers are. So how far did the tortoise run? He ran 375 meters. What was the tortoise pace? He went 3.75 meters per second. If the hare was running at a pace of 225 meters, how far did he run? The hare ran 225 meters. Took me a second to find that because I wasn't clear. There. See, this is why I want you to highlight the answers, because sometimes it's hard to find. So the hare went 225 meters. The tortoise went 375 meters. And the tortoise speed was 3.75 meters.